times. But there's one place I never want to leave. It's an island about 90 miles off of Anaheim.
Hi everybody, I'm Amy. I'm from north of Detroit in Michigan. Came all the way to Key West for the half marathon tomorrow. It's snowing like a blizzard in Michigan, but look at this. This is terrific, wonderful place. Did the half last year, came back for more this year. We can't wait. My girlfriend and I were going to rock this thing out and have a great time. Thanks, Key West.
There's something I think you need to know. If you come down here, you gotta take it real slow. So put your watch in your pocket, there's no place you need to be. Sitting on an island watching the sunset down into the sea. That's why I'm living on Key West time. I've got a smile on my face that you can't erase, and I'm feeling fine. Every night's a Saturday night, every day